Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ofere Ayodeji. I am a biomedical engineer and also a service manager with Swiss Biostar Nigeria Limited, where I install Siemens Healthcare Direct Imaging System. I'm truly honored to welcome you all to this all-important gathering focused on MRI maintenance and sustainability in Sub-Saharan Africa. Today, as we embark on this journey that holds a great significance not only for the field of healthcare, but for the well-being of communities across this vibrant region, in an era where medical imaging has become an integral part of diagnosis and treatment. Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, stands as a symbol of cutting-edge medical technology. However, the true value of MRI lies not just in its capability, but in its accessibility, reliability, and sustainability. In Sub-Saharan Africa, where healthcare resources can be very scarce and the need for advanced diagnostics is paramount. Addressing these challenges of MRI maintenance and sustainability is a matter of utmost importance. My goal today is to initiate a dialogue that not only recognizes these challenges, but paves the way for innovation, solutions, and collaborative efforts. Over the course of this conference, we will dive into the key issues surrounding MRI maintenance, explore sustainable practices, and foster partnership that can help overcome obstacles. We will hear from experts in the field, share experiences, and work towards a future where MRI technology remains a dependable asset in the healthcare landscape of Sub-Saharan Africa. I encourage you all to actively engage in discussion, share your insights, and forge connections that can lead to a lasting solutions. Together, we can make a substantial impact on healthcare accessibility and quality in this region. Let's enter into these our discussions in more details. MRI sustainability challenges in Sub-Saharan Africa. Today, I'd like to share a light on a critical issue that affects the healthcare landscape in Sub-Saharan Africa: MRI maintenance, its sustainability, and challenges. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, is a powerful tool in modern medicine, enabling precise diagnosis and guiding treatment decisions. However, the challenges surrounding MRI sustainability in Sub-Saharan Africa are substantial, and they impact healthcare access and patient outcome. In this our region, where healthcare resources are often limited and disparities persist, addressing these challenges is crucial. We face obstacles such as high initial procurement costs, limited access to maintenance and repair services, dependence on foreign expertise, and the main nightmare, which is unreliable power infrastructure and also environmental concern. The high cost of acquiring MRI machine poses a significant barrier. Many countries in Sub-Saharan Africa struggle to fund these crucial pieces of medical equipment. Additionally, the lack of accessible maintenance and repair services can lead to a prolonged downtime, affecting patient care. Dependence on foreign expertise for operation and maintenance hinders self-sufficiency and adds to operational costs of these systems. Unreliable power supply infrastructures poses a constant threat to MRI operation, leading to disruption in healthcare delivery. However, the environmental impact of MRI machine is growing concern. Sustainable practices are essential to reduce the ecological footprint of these devices. Despite these challenges, there is hope. Collaborative efforts involving governments, international organizations, private sectors, and healthcare professionals are working to find innovative solutions to this nightmare. Initiatives such as funding, support, training programs, and sustainable power solutions are making a difference. By addressing these MRI maintenance sustainability challenges, we can make strides towards equitable healthcare access and better healthcare outcome in Sub-Saharan Africa. This is a shared responsibility, and together, I believe we can help to build a better healthcare in this region. Contextual details around MRI in Africa. Let me start with Sub-Saharan Africa. In Sub-Saharan Africa, there is a staggering shortage of MRI facilities. To put this into perspective, there are less than one MRI machine available per people. This statistics is not just a number, but it represents a significant gap in healthcare accessibility. It means that millions of people in this region may lack timely access to these crucial tools. Let's talk about Africa as a whole. Zooming out to consider the entire continent, the situation remains concerning. There are only 0.2 MRI per million people across Africa. This is quite alarming. This figure is a stark reminder of the vast healthcare inequality that persists on the continent. While MRI technology is a commonplace in many developed regions, it remains a reality in Africa, limiting the ability to provide timely and accurate diagnosis. Let's talk about the whole region as a whole. Region disparity. It is important to note that these disparities aren't evenly distributed across Africa. North Africa, which includes countries such as Egypt, Algeria, and Morocco, boasts the highest number of MRI machines on the continent, with approximately 8.2 MRI machines per million people. This comparatively higher availability of MRI resources in North Africa accentuates the regional disparities within the continent itself. These statistics paint a clear picture of the healthcare challenges faced by Sub-Saharan Africa and Africa as a whole. Access to medical imaging like MRI is a crucial component of modern healthcare. It enables early diseases detection, guide treatment decisions, and ultimately saves lives. The scarcity of this system in this region underscores the urgent need for sustainable solution and collaborative effort to bridge this healthcare gap. As we delve into this discussion, it is essential to keep these contextual details in mind. Together, we can work towards a future where equitable healthcare access is not a distant goal, but a reality for all people, regardless of where they live on this diverse and vibrant continent. Sustainability of MRI. Lifespan. The first dimension we will explore is the lifespan of MRI system. MRI systems are intricate and expensive pieces of medical equipment. However, they are also built to last. With proper maintenance and care, an MRI machine can serve its purpose for an impressive 15 to 20 years. This extended lifespan not only makes the most of the initial investment, but also contributes significantly to the sustainability of healthcare resources. When I talk about sustainability in this context, I am referring to the ability to minimize waste and ensure responsive use of resources over a long term. By minimizing the lifespan of MRI system, we can reduce the need for frequent replacement, which in turn reduces the environmental impact with malfunctioning and disposing of these high-tech devices. Let's talk about operational sustainability. The second dimension, operational sustainability, this addresses the efficient and continuous functioning of MRI system. It is not enough to have MRI system in place, but they must be fully operational to fulfill their crucial role in healthcare. This dimension encompasses several key factors: proactive maintenance, trained personnel. Let me talk a bit about trained personnel. Having a well-trained personnel who can operate and maintain MRI machine is equally vital. Their expertise ensures that the equipment is used efficiently and safely, reducing risks of error and downtime. Another factor is prompt issue resolution. In essence, operational sustainability ensures that MRI machines are available when needed, providing timely and accurate diagnosis for patients. It guarantees that these machines are not just a one-time investment, but a long-term access that continually benefits healthcare provider and their community as a whole. An overview of the MRI landscape in Sub-Saharan Africa. Limited accessibility, aging equipment, maintenance and technical expertise, high cost public and private facilities, power supply. I'd like to talk about accessibility, limited accessibilities. MRI are not easily accessible by users in most parts of Africa. One of the most pressing challenges in Sub-Saharan Africa is limited accessibility to MRI technology. While MRI is considered a standard diagnostic tool in many parts of the world, it remains a scarce resource in this region. Access to MRI system can be unevenly distributed, with many rural areas lacking this crucial medical technology. This limited accessibility can result in delays in diagnosis and treatment, particularly for patients in remote regions. Aging equipment. Another significant aspect of MRI landscape in Sub-Saharan Africa is the age of the equipment. Due to financial constraints and difficulties in procuring new systems, some healthcare facilities rely on aging MRI equipment. These older machines may have limited capabilities and can be more prone to breakdowns, affecting their overall reliability. Maintenance and technical experts. Maintenance of MRI machines require specialized technical experts, which can be challenging to find in Sub-Saharan Africa. The lack of trained personnel to operate and maintain these complex devices can lead to extended downtime and reduce efficiency in healthcare services. High costs. The high cost of acquiring, installing, and maintaining MRI system is substantial. Many countries in Sub-Saharan Africa struggle with budget constraints, making it difficult to invest in this state-of-the-art system. This financial barrier can hinder efforts to expand access to MRI services, public and private facilities. In Sub-Saharan Africa, MRI services are often provided by a combination of public and private healthcare facilities. Public facilities may face resources limitation, while private facilities may be more accessible to those who can afford them. This duality in the healthcare system raises questions about equitable access to MRI services. Power supply. Reliable power supply is essential for the consistent operation of MRI system. However, in many parts of Sub-Saharan Africa, power infrastructures can be unreliable, leading to disruption in healthcare services. Addressing these challenges is crucial for ensuring the availability of this MRI system. While these challenges are indeed significant, it is essential to note that there's a growing recognition of the importance of MRI technology in Sub-Saharan Africa. Efforts are underway to expand accessibility, improve maintenance practice, build technical expertise, and explore innovative financial models to mitigate this high cost. As we delve into this discussion about MRI sustainability and accessibility in Sub-Saharan Africa, let's keep these factors in mind. These challenges are real, but they also represent opportunities for collaboration, innovative and progress in healthcare delivery. Installation and maintenance of MRI system. Let's dive into the critical aspect of MRI installation and maintenance, a process that ensures optimal performance and longevity of this invaluable medical imaging machine. Pre-installation. Before an MRI machine can even be put in a place, meticulous phase of pre-installation preparation is essential. This phase involves site readiness. The location where the MRI machine will be installed must meet specific requirements. It must be structurally sound to support the weight of the system and should also provide adequate space for safe operation and patient access. Magnetic shielding may also be required to prevent interference from external magnetic fields. Equipment selection. Choosing the right MRI machine for the healthcare facility needs is a critical decision. Factors such as the type of MRI, e.g. 1.5 Tesla or 3T, imaging capability, and software must be carefully considered. Shielding calculation. To ensure the safety of both patient and staff, shielding calculations are performed to assess potential exposure to magnetic field and radiation. This calculation helps determine the necessary protective measures. The 5 gauge line is the safety line drawn around the perimeter of the main magnet of the MRI scanner, specifying the distance at which the stray magnetic field is equivalent to 5 gauge, which in turn is 0.5 millitesla. Installation. Once the preparatory work is completed, the actual installation of the MRI system can begin. This stage involves delivery of the MRI system, sighting. This sighting, when I talk about sighting, I'm talking about a step that involves placing the MRI machine in its designated location within the facility. Proper alignment, positioning are essential for the machine functionality. Also, assembly. Then finally, assembly is just the proper installation where we install, connect all the part of the MRI and make it a single functional system for proper operation. The testing and calibration also, once the system is assembled, the MRI machine undergoes a rigorous testing and calibration phase. This phase ensures that the system is in line with OEM requirements and also meets the needed required diagnostics outputs. Maintenance. Maintaining an MRI is an ongoing process to ensuring its longevity and performance. It encompasses preventive maintenance, which is a regular inspection, cleaning, minor repairs are conducted to prevent issues from arising. This proactive approach helps identify and addresses potential problems before they even become a major disruption. Also, ongoing maintenance, which is a routine check and where updates are performed to keep the machine operating at peak efficiency. This includes software upgrade, calibration checks, and monitoring for tear and wear. System operation. Proper operation of MRI machine is essential. Trained personnel must operate the machine following established protocol to obtain high quality images while ensuring patient safety. In conclusion, the installation and maintenance of MRI machines are complex and are highly specialized processes. They require careful planning, attention to details, and ongoing commitment to quality. The goal is to provide patients with access to accurate and timely diagnostic imaging while maximizing patient lifespan. Here are part of pre-installation stage and installation stage of a site where I was involved in Nigeria to install a MRI system. You can see these are the laying of the RF cage. Here is the preparation state of the RF cage installation. The MRI system is already in place and the interior and other system accessories are being installed on these pages, as you can see. This is the process of helium refill in MRI system. Also, as you can see, I'm trying to transfer helium light from the helium dewar to the MRI system. This is a very technical part of the job, and it has to be done with a very, very, very careful measures. This is the final MRI system after the full installation. MRI system preventive maintenance. Let's explore a crucial aspect of ensuring the reliability, safety, and optimal performance of MRI system. Preventive maintenance in the realm of medical imaging, particularly MRI. Regular maintenance isn't just a best practice. It is a necessity for the well-being of patient and the integrity of the diagnostics outcome. Why MRI maintenance? I like to delve extensively into the topic of why MRI maintenance is absolutely essential. Magnetic resonance imaging is a powerful and indispensable tool in modern healthcare, providing detailed images that aid the diagnosis and treatment of wide range of medical conditions. To ensure that the MRI system delivers accurate and safe results, maintenance is not just recommended, it is absolutely crucial. Let's explore why MRI maintenance is of utmost importance. Patient safety. Today, I'd like to emphasize a paramount aspect of MRI system maintenance, patient safety. When it comes to MRI, ensuring the safety of the patient is absolutely a major priority. This underscores the critical importance of the meticulous and rigorous maintenance practices. Let's explore why MRI safety is not negotiable in the context of MRI system maintenance. Magnetic field and safety. Intensity of magnetic field. MRI machine generates extremely powerful magnetic field, many times stronger than the Earth's magnetic field. These fields are essential for creating detailed images of the body internal structure. However, they also have potential to exert powerful forces on objects containing ferrous material, posing significant safety risks, projectile risks. If ferromagnetic objects such as oxygen tank, stretchers, or even small metallic objects are inadvertently brought into the MRI room, they can become dangerous projectile when drawn into the patient magnetic field. This poses a grave risk to both patients and staff. Proper screening. MRI maintenance involves ensuring the safety measures such as ferromagnetic object screening protocol are functioning correctly. Preventive maintenance include verifying the screening system are optimal, ensuring that no ferromagnetic objects are present in the MRI room. Also, in an emergency situation, readiness for emergency situation is critical. In the event of an emergency, such as patient experiencing a medical crisis during MRI, the ability to quickly and safely remove the patient from the machine is vital. Maintenance ensures that the emergency shutdown procedure are well maintained and functioning properly. Patient safety. I like to emphasize a paramount aspect of MRI system maintenance, patient safety. When it comes to MRI, ensuring the safety of patient is an absolute priority. It underscores the critical importance of meticulous and rigorous maintenance practices. Let's explore why patient safety is non-negotiable. I don't do mistake. I'm not about to talk. Let's discuss. Patient safety. I like to emphasize a paramount aspect of MRI system maintenance, patient safety. When it comes to MRI, ensuring safety of patient is an absolute priority. And it underscores critical importance of meticulous and rigorous maintenance practices. Let's explore why patient safety is non-negotiable in the context of MRI system maintenance. If a ferromagnetic object, such as oxygen tanks, stretcher, or even small metal objects, are advertently brought into the MRI room, they can become dangerous. They can become a dangerous projectile when drawn in the magnetic field. This poses a risk to both patient and staff. Also, when a proper screening is not done to a patient that is being prepared for MRI scanning, and the patient comes in contact with the magnetic field, it could be a bit dangerous for the patient. Another aspect I'd like to speak about is diagnostics accuracy. Once MRI is well serviced, you have a very good accuracy. Proper maintenance ensure accuracy of this image, helping healthcare professionals to make precise diagnosis and treatment plans. Because of my time, also system longevity. Let's discuss these aspects in more details. MRI maintenance directly impacts the system overall lifespan. Proper preventive maintenance, which entails ensuring the longevity of the MRI system, is not only a matter of preserving a significant financial investment, but also about sustaining invaluable diagnostic capability they offer to healthcare services and all. Downtime reduction. An unplanned downtime can affect the operational functionality, and also they do this guy now.
But you look for your slide.
I don't read them. I just wait for you. Say make I dey waste time. Nobody wetin we talk.
I say as not carry on.
What you doing now?
Long time. What be this? I mean, it's not the same thing with your own.
The same thing. Today I like to discuss. Maybe I'll just brush through a bit. I don't get time.
It's a long time.
Yeah.
Maximizing uptime, preventing upland downtime, schedule maintenance.
Oh yeah, go back.
So don't read the highlighted ones. They call them for them.
Downtime reduction. Maximizing uptime. Preventing unplanned downtime. Unplanned downtime can disrupt healthcare operations, delay patient care, and lead to patient dissatisfaction. MRI systems are essential diagnostic tools, and any interruption in their availability can have cascading effect on scheduling and patient treatment. Proper preventive maintenance helps unplanned downtime by identifying and addressing potential issues before they lead to system failure. Cost of savings. Avoiding emergency repairs. Emergency repairs often come with higher costs due to the urgency and the need to expedite service. Preventive maintenance help avoid these costly emergency repairs by addressing problems when they are still manageable. It allows for the planned and budgeted maintenance activities, reducing the financial burden on healthcare. Also, extending equipment lifespan. MRI system represents substantial investment for healthcare facility. Proper maintenance can extend the lifespan of the machine, postponing the need for cost replacement. This not only saves on capital expenditure, but also ensures that the facility can continue to operate from this technology. Quality of healthcare. Consistent quality of diagnostics, accurate and reliable results. MRI system must be consistent, produce high quality diagnostics images. Preventive maintenance includes calibration and performance check to ensure that the images are accurate, reliable, and consistent. Consistency in image quality is crucial for accurate diagnosis and effective treatment planning. Artifact reduction. Maintenance helps minimize image artifacts, which are unwanted anomalies or distortion in MRI images. Artifacts can hinder accurate diagnosis and may necessitate repeat scans, adding time and cost to patient care. Reducing artifact through maintenance enhances the efficiency of the MRI system. Staff training. I like to highlight a crucial aspect of MRI system maintenance that often goes hand in hand with ensuring patient and staff safety. Staff training and safety protocol. I'll stop on. Staff training and safety. I like to highlight a crucial aspect of this maintenance discussion, which often goes hand in hand with ensuring patient and staff safety. Staff training and safety protocols. Maintenance activities offer valuable opportunities for healthcare professionals to gain hands-on experience in MRI machine operation and safety procedures. This not only contributes to the safe operation of the equipment, but also enhances the overall quality of patient care. Let's explore why staff training and safety are integral components of MRI system. Ensuring safe operation. MRI systems are complex and powerful machines that require specialized knowledge for operations. Staff training in MRI operation ensures that healthcare professionals are well prepared for the use of the equipment without compromising safety. Magnetic field safety. MRI machine generate powerful magnetic fields, and personnel must understand the potential risks and safety protocols associated with working in the magnetic field environment. Training ensures that the staff can work confidently and safely around the strong magnetic field, minimizing risks and error. Error reduction. Staff training reduces the risk of error during MRI system operation. Knowledgeable operators are less likely to make mistakes that could compromise patient safety or the quality of diagnostics imaging. Emergency preparedness. Training includes safety protocols and emergency procedure. In the event of an unexpected situation, such as patient emergency during the MRI scan, trained staff can respond swiftly and effectively, minimizing risks on both patients and staff. Quality assurance and calibration. It is very important during the preventive maintenance stages to ensure that the quality, which I call QA, for the system is done, and to ensure that the system is still in specification with the manufacturer standard. Also, frequent calibration, especially during the preventive maintenance, is a must during this MRI maintenance phases. This in turn helps to ensure that the system are in a very good state for operation, and also we can guarantee the quality of the image after a diagnosis process. Part of MRI system that must be inspected and serviced regularly. As a biomedical engineer, I focus majorly on preventive maintenance of this MRI system, and the core head becomes very important to me, and also the cooling system. Knowing that the core head works 24 hours, a need to maintain this core head is paramount. In doing this, during the preventive maintenance phases, the core head and the cooling system are checked to ensure that they are all functioning well. Also, the cooling water from the primary to the secondary water pump are checked to ensure that the water are in good gauge. Also, the graded amplifier must be serviced and checked for power, ensure that the power going to the graded amplifiers are okay. The integrity of the RF room also must be checked. The doors should be checked and ensure that we don't have any leakage of external interference from the MRI room and from the outside of the MRI room to the MRI room. Computer systems and hardware, the console, the monitor must be checked and also serviced. Patient table must be checked. You check the motor, ensure that the motor is working well, and also the accessories. All safety measures must be put in place. From the door side of the MRI, the supervised area, ensure that there are labels, warning labels, to let people know that they are entering a high superconducting environment. Then the peripherals, equipment, the accessories also have to be checked and maintained. The magnet itself has to be checked to ensure that the field is in line. Also, the coils must be checked and clean. The gradient coils too must be checked and checked for any strange object around the gradient coil. Quality assurance, as I've mentioned earlier, also must be done. As I bring this presentation on MRI maintenance and sustainability in Sub-Saharan Africa to a close, I want to express my gratitude for your time and attention. We have explored a special part of the MRI maintenance and its profound impact on healthcare sustainability in this region. I'd like to leave you with a few key thoughts and reflections. One, empowering healthcare through maintenance. MRI machines are invaluable tools in modern healthcare, enabling accurate diagnosis and improving patient outcome. Maintenance is the cornerstone that ensures these machines operate reliably, sustainably, and safely. Challenges and opportunities. Sub-Saharan Africa faces unique challenges in. I need to start this thing. I beg, madam, please. Please, you just come and don't come here. Before we are doing something, just make noise. Then we have to start all over again. As a closing remarks, and as I bring this presentation to an end, I have to start all over again. As I bring this presentation on MRI maintenance and its sustainability in Sub-Saharan Africa to a close, I want to express my gratitude for your time and attention. We have explored essential aspects of MRI maintenance and its profound impact on healthcare sustainability in this region. I'd like to leave you with a few key notes and thoughts of reflection. Empowering healthcare through maintenance. MRI systems are invaluable tools in modern healthcare, enabling accurate diagnosis and improving patient outcome. Maintenance is the cornerstone that ensures this system operates reliably, sustainably, and safely. 2, challenges and opportunity. Sub-Saharan Africa faces unique challenges in terms of MRI accessibility, equipment aging, maintenance, and also power supply. However, these challenges also provide opportunities for innovation, collaboration, and sustainable solutions. 3, collaborative effort. Achieving sustainability in MRI healthcare across Sub-Saharan Africa requires collaborative effort among government, healthcare institutions, manufacturers, and technicians. Together, we can bridge the gap and bring the MRI benefits to all community. Training and capacity building. Investing in training and capacity building for technicians and healthcare professionals is essential. It improves local expertise to handle maintenance, ensuring the longevity of the MRI system and contributing to sustainability. 5, patient-centered. Ultimately, all efforts in MRI maintenance and sustainability should revolve around one central goal: delivering best possible care to patients. Every maintenance action, every investment, and every innovation should be driven by commitment to improve patient outcome. The road ahead. The journey towards MRI machine and sustainability in Sub-Saharan Africa may be challenging, but it's a journey worth taking. With dedication, innovation, and collaboration, we can create a future where MRI technology is accessible, reliable, and a beacon of hope for improved healthcare across the region. In closing, let me let us remember that our work today shapes the healthcare landscape of tomorrow. Each maintenance action, every decision, and all the dedication to sustainability contribute to a brighter and healthier healthcare for Sub-Africa. Let us move forward with determination and hope, knowing that the path to better healthcare is within our reach. Thank you once again for your participation in this presentation. Together, we can make a meaningful difference in the healthcare journey of millions in Sub-Saharan Africa. Thank you. Closing remarks, and also as I bring this presentation on MRI maintenance and sustainability in South Africa to a close, I want to express my gratitude for your time and attention. We have explored essential aspects of MRI maintenance and its profound impact on healthcare sustainability in this region. I'd like to leave you with a few keywords, thoughts, and reflections. 1, empowering healthcare through maintenance. MRI machines are invaluable tools in modern healthcare, enabling accurate diagnosis and improving healthcare outcomes. Maintenance is the cornerstone that ensures this machine operates reliably, sustainably, and safely. 2, challenges and opportunities. Sub-Saharan Africa faces unique challenges in terms of MRI accessibility, equipment aging, maintenance, power supply. However, these challenges also present opportunity for innovation, collaboration, and sustainable solutions. 3, collaborative effort. Achieving sustainability in MRI healthcare across Sub-Saharan Africa requires collaborative effort among government, healthcare institutions, manufacturers, technicians. Together, we can bridge the gap and bring the benefit of MRI technology to more communities. Training and capacity building. Investing in MRI training and capacity building for technicians and healthcare professionals is essential. It empowers local expertise to handle maintenance, ensuring the longevity of the MRI system and contributing to the sustainability. 5, patient-centered approach. Ultimately, all efforts in MRI maintenance and sustainability should revolve around one central goal: delivering best possible care to patients. Every action, every maintenance action, every investment, and every innovation should be driven by a commitment to improving patient outcome. The road ahead. The journey towards MRI maintenance and its sustainability in Sub-Saharan Africa may be very challenging, but it's a journey worth taking. With dedication, innovation, and collaboration, we can create a future where MRI technology is accessible, reliable, and a beacon of hope for improved healthcare around the nation, around the region. In closing, let us remember that our work today shapes the healthcare landscape of tomorrow. Each maintenance action, every decision, and all dedication to sustainability contribute a brighter and healthier future for Sub-Saharan Africa. Let us move forward with determination and hope, knowing that the path to better healthcare is within our reach. Once again, thank you for your participation in this presentation. Together, we can make a meaningful difference in healthcare journey of millions in Sub-Saharan Africa. Thank you.